What is up, everyone? Today I'm going to be working on 2015 Mercedes Benz CLA 250. I'm just going to do the rear brakes, and I will show you how to do it on your own at home with your own regular tools. Now first we're going to have to remove the tires or the tire with a 17 millimeter. If you have a wheel lock, the wheel lock is also 17 millimeter. Go ahead and remove all the bolts with a 17 millimeter socket. Also, when you're working on your brake system on all your cars, make sure that you open your oil reservoir. That way when you compress, the pressure releases it, you know. We're just gonna replace the pads. This is show you how you can replace the pad without resurfacing your rotor. Ideally, if you're gonna do it at home, you could do whatever you want, but contact patch, you should be okay. You should mold on yours. So let's just replace the pads for now. Before you begin, it's always good to clean things up. That way you're not so dirty. Oh, they're coming off. Sorry about the background noise, guys, but this is how I'm removing the screw. It's a 13 millimeter, just to hold the that way it doesn't spin, because that's what happens when you don't hold it. Same thing on the bottom, just to hold it. It's not really tight, just to hold this, the other side of the screw. Just be careful because there's a boot over here. You don't want to tear that apart, but make sure you're on the actual metal itself. There's a little, looks like a little washer, and just hold that down. It's a 13 mil. So once you take this out, just be careful because you have a sensor right over here. So just kind of pull it out this way, and ooh, look at that, it's wearing out of there. Let's go inside the car and retract this piece over here. I will show you how to do that right now. So we're gonna put it to the accessory, just one click. There you go. And then we'll push the call and the OK button. This one kind of first, and then this second together for about 7 seconds, just to be sure. I'll be right back because my hand cannot reach across from the steering wheel. Okay, now once you're on the menu, just use this toggle switch to go down to pad replacement, and then you hit OK. Pad replacement. To move fitting position, OK. To cancel back, so go OK. And you can hear it moving backwards. You can hear that? It's retracting all the way back. All right. And then let's go there and check it out. Check this out. Yikes. It's like 1% right here. It's touching the metal already. And then look at this. On the outside, it has a thick pad on it, but on the inside, wow, what a design. I don't know why, but look how thick this is. So if you're having a grumbling sound on your car when you're moving or backing up, well, not that sound, but just a grumbling sound, I'm just imitating. Look on the inside, don't look at the outside, because it's gonna fool you thinking my pads are thick. But if you were to open this and inspect it, that is why it was grumbling right over there. You can actually remove this by just popping the boot. Just be careful. If you want to lube it, you got to use one of these grease right over here and just grease around it, and then do it also on the top. Just grease around it. This is what I'm using to grease it up, brake grease. And yeah, that's how simple it is. Just make sure that you do release your parking brake, that you do release your park brake pads retraction, it's on the menu, like as I showed it earlier. Alright guys, so when you have a stuck, once it's on a pad, you know, maintenance, you can get one of these and then squeeze it from here, from the back of that screw and to the front. Be careful not to squeeze anything other than just the metal pieces. So if you have one of those brake caliper, you know, I have some, but I'm working off site, so just squeeze it like this and then it'll retract back. All right, don't forget, make sure your parking brake's not on, anything is off, okay? And then squeeze it, and then that's it. And then let's put the brake pads, lube everything, and test everything, make sure everything works. When you're done with the brake pads on the back, make sure that you get it out of the pad, you know, replacement menu. So just hit OK, and then that's it. It will take you out of the maintenance menu, and that's it, guys. And I also bled the system, as you can see. It's always good to bleed it while you're already out here, you know, doing your maintenance. Anyway guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me for today. Until next time, thumbs up if you can, comments down below if you have any questions, and be safe out there. God bless. Bye.